Paganism is exploding. 1.5 million Americans now identify as pagan. That's triple from decades ago. In Scotland, it's the fourth largest religion. England saw 17,000 new pagans since 2011. While Christianity shrinks, especially with Gen Z, nature-based spirituality fills the void. People crave authentic connection over empty pews. Is this the spiritual revolution we've been waiting for? Yes, this revolution is real, and the world wants a deeper connection with nature and its mysteries. This Yule season should be celebrated with love and peace and enjoyed by all. Blessings and good tidings to all the world on these spiritual holidays we call Christmas.